पूछना सर आपसे यह है कि अभी तक हर समय जब भी चुनाव होते थे ये देखा जाता था कि एक चुनाव को छोड़ करके बाकी हर एक चुनाव में भारतीय जनता पार्टी शिवसेना जो प्री पोल सर्वेज होते हैं उसमें महाराष्ट्र में हमेशा जरा पीछे दिखाई जाती है एक चुनाव को छोड़ करके। इस बार यू आर सो फार अहेड दैट इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द कांग्रेस टू कैच अप, ऐसा लोगों का मानना है। तो इससे कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है कि शिवसेना भारतीय जनता पार्टी के जितने वर्कर्स हैं उनमें देयर बी अ सेंस ऑफ ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस, अ सेंस ऑफ लेथार्जी
on their part?
on their part?
As far as I'm concerned, I don't believe in those poll strategies and whatever reports they publish in their newspapers. And you can have the taste of the pudding last time. What they publish and what happened, particularly those 4 states.
That's right.
Even BJP people never had an idea that they will win in 3 states and they will lose only Delhi, that's all. Perhaps it may be due to Khurana. If that would have been a good model, I think Sheila Dixit's position would have been difficult. खैर वो हो गई, बात गई, चले। तो ये अंदाज किया था 4 स्टेट का
जी,
बस क्या हो गया, कुछ नहीं। It was exactly the opposite side.
or what the pre-polls had predicted,
Yes.
what the poll analysis.
People just vote, they cast their vote. The prediction that there are so many astrologers nowadays today in newspaper offices, and they have got their own horoscopes and whatnot of each party. So sometimes, most of the times I can say that things go wrong, and as it has already gone wrong as far as the 4 states were concerned.
In the state of Maharashtra,
Yes.
what do you think will happen?
I think yesterday Uddhav had gone to Nagar,
जी,
and you will not believe, so much the Maidan was packed to capacity. Manoj Doshi was surprised because usually it is my monopoly to
gather so many crowds.
Yes,
That's right.
even today of course. But Uddhav was also equally surprised. How's that? So many people attended. Pin drop silence. You see?
As happens in your
It was
meetings.
not Congress Jatra.
As happens in your meetings.
Of course, yes. Pin drop silence.
I mean, they say that when you address a meeting, you're like a rock star.
Applause and laughs and everything.
So you taught Uddhav all that? Or?
No.
Or you just learned it on
I
his
don't
own?
have any institute in my house where I teach my boys or my Gharana people that they have to become this. No.
There is no Thakre Gharana.
Absolutely not. No, I don't believe in that kind.
I've watched you in Shivaji Park. I've watched you address so many meetings.
Yes,
Unknown to you. I've actually sat in the crowd.
I don't know.
I've actually sat in the crowd. And I've watched you deliberately stop in mid-sentence. And even though the entire Maidan is completely full, you can actually hear a pin drop.
Pin drop.
That's right. How do you manage that?
That pause is automatically there because that is the reaction of the public, the audience. And I always test. And they make me stop for a while. Let us breathe a little and then go ahead with the thing. Yes.
So tell us, I mean, this is something that I've always wanted to ask you. You were a cartoonist.
Yes.
You still are. You still can draw.
My profession remains, but I don't draw nowadays because I'm not getting good models nowadays.
All right.
For my caricature.
So we'll come to that. But tell me, how did you, where did you learn this from? Did you get it by instinct? Did you get it by practice? कि इस तरीके से public meetings को address करना, इस तरीके से जिसको कहा जाता है जनता को मंत्रमुग्ध रखना?
That's my father is responsible for all of these things. Even we were staying there at Bhiwandi, and from Bhiwandi, when the Second World War started, we shifted to Mumbai in somewhere in 1938-39.
38-39 में आप यहाँ पर?
Yes.
जी.
और हम जब भी स्थलांतरित हो गए यहाँ मुंबई में, तो मेरी माँ की एक इच्छा तमन्ना थी कि मैं गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट बनूं, And my father was deadly against government servants. He said, no, you can be a dacoit, you can be a gangster, whatever you want. Don't become a clerk. A clerk. That was his I think. But ऐसी कोई बात नहीं थी. He wanted me to be a musician.
A musician?
Musician. He brought bulbul, that old instrument.
That's right.
टाइपराइटर जैसा होता है, इधर ये तार छेड़ना और इधर दबाना, वो कीज. When he brought, he asked me to sit before him. I sat. He said, take this small cellulite thing, remove here and then press this. So when I used to start here, this hand never used to move. When I used to move this hand, nothing happens here. So he got wired, I said. जाओ, जोर से हाथ करके उन्होंने हिलाया, मगर वो सब तार मेरे इधर घुस गई रिस्ट में, तो थोड़ा खून भी आ गया. मैं खून से नहीं डरता हूँ, लेकिन ये क्या है, तो थोड़ा बच्चा था, थोड़ा रोना शुरू किया. जाओ जाओ तुम जाओ, ये नहीं सीखेगा. पिताजी मुंबई में आते जाते करते थे, वेंडी मुंबई वेंडी, like that. But then one day he found, when he came to Bhiwandi, he found some tunes, something is coming from one room, side by room. So उन्होंने मेरी माँ को पूछा, ये क्या है, कौन बजाता है? तो श्रीकांत, we used to call him Shri, वो बजा रहे हैं. अच्छा, बुलाने के बाद वो भी डर गया था. मेरे पिताजी तो जमदग्नि थे बिल्कुल, बड़े तेक. तू बजा रहे हैं? तो हाँ, बैठो. एंड देन ही स्टार्टेड सेइंग सम ट्यून्स और सम कोई तबला जैसा होता है ना, ताधिक ताधिक तक तक, और ट्यून्स उन्होंने निकले. एंड ही प्लेड. The first song is always those who learn these instruments. That time, जाके मथुरा या कान्हा ने, ये पहला गाना शुरू से होता है. तो कान्हा क्या, मथुरा किधर, पता नहीं. तो ये हो गया, तो उनको पता लगा कि ये म्यूजिशियन होने वाला है. नहीं, वो हो गया अभी दुर्भाग्य से वो गुजर गए
जी, श्रीकांत जी.
But he was a top man, a terrific musician. He sang about 11 to 12 Marathi songs from Muhammad Rafi. Yes. He had a Urdu knowledge. He used to write Urdu wonderfully nice, good handwriting. खैर वो हो गया. तो मेरा क्या होगा, वो तो चिंता थी
जी.
मैं पिक्चर निकालता था, कभी कागज़त पर, कभी दीवार पर. तो देखा पिताजी ने. जब हम मुंबई आए तो बैनबेरीज कार्टून्स यूज्ड टू अपीयर in Times of India at the time, during Second World War. I got the collection. तो अंग्रेजी तो आती नहीं, मगर देखता तो रहते हैं. तो पिताजी ने कहा, ये वॉच क्या है, कैसा लगा, ठीक किया, पसंद है? तो हमेशा मैं ऑफिस से आऊँगा, तभी जैसा निकाला है वैसा निकाल के रखो, पेंसिल ड्राइंग. मैंने कहा कि ठीक है. जब ये आते थे, उस वक्त हम मुंबई आए थे, तो उन्होंने पूछा, क्या आज कुछ किया है क्या, स्केचिंग वगैरह? तो बोला हाँ, बताते थे. देन ही विल कॉल फॉर द टाइम्स कॉपी एंड पुट दैट माय स्केच बिफोर हिम. ये कैसा लाइन गया, तुमने कैसा किया, तुमने ये कैसा किया, ये कैसा, आँख कैसा, ये करके करके उन्होंने मेरी पढ़ाई शुरू की. करने के बाद एक दिन उन्होंने इंक एंड ब्रश लाया. उन्होंने कहा, अभी इससे शुरुआत करो.
You remember the brush or?
हम there were no Winsor Newton and all kinds of things, they were very costly things. In today's they are worse costly. But I started inking the thing. पहले जमता नहीं था, कभी ज़्यादा इंक आती थी, कभी कम पड़ती थी. सब करके करके I developed as a cartoonist then.
But how did you learn how to speak? How did you learn how to
address
people?
That instinct, I can say, that is my father. I used to listen to all people, like my father, Comrade Dange, Acharya Atre,